I guess. So,
Brian Philcox and his wife Bonnie Buxton make a point of staying mentally active.
Perfect. Thank you. Bravo.
Buxton has been diagnosed with dementia. The Toronto couple hopes that together they can slow the progression of her disease, and in his case, try to prevent it altogether.
You've got to challenge your brain. If you don't, if you just sit around watching television and having afternoon drinkies or something like that, it's not going to work.
He's on the right track, according to a report released today by the Lancet Commission on Dementia. 24 international experts pored through data to calculate how much people could reduce their risk. They found 9 factors could prevent 35% of dementia cases. Some are lifestyle changes, like quitting smoking and controlling obesity. Others are medical interventions, such as properly treating diabetes and hearing loss, and addressing mental health, including treating depression and preventing social isolation.
The researchers also stressed the importance of education, including staying in school past age 15. They say learning from childhood through adulthood helps the brain build what's called cognitive reserve, and that helps protect us from the effects of dementia, even if it's genetic. They use the example of twins. One gets more education and interaction in childhood, while the other doesn't.
They each may be destined to develop dementia, but the one with cognitive reserve and with a greater number of synapses will develop dementia later than his twin.
Dr. Tarek Raji specializes in dementia at the Centre for Addiction and Mental Health in Toronto. He says the report sends an important message.
It emphasized the need to address different factors across the lifespan of an individual. So in other words, we cannot afford to just think of dementia late in life. We need to think about, especially we want to prevent dementia, starting early on during school years.
Brian Philcox and Bonnie Buxton's fight against dementia incorporates another recommendation from the report: staying physically active. The researchers say the prevention strategies they've outlined today can have a much bigger impact on dementia than medications. Nicole Ireland, CBC News, Toronto.